Hey, this is Dan with Honeymoon Always, and today we are at Sandals St Vincent in the Grenadines.
Surrounded by stunning mountains, greenery, and a gorgeous beach, this resort features 11 restaurants, 9 bars, including a swim-up bar, 4 pools, 2 whirlpools, and a scuba pool where you can get scuba certified. Having now been to all 18 Sandals resorts, we can confidently say that this one is our new favorite. We were invited to this resort to attend the Sandals Star Awards, which is an award ceremony for the top performing travel advisors who work with sandals. We're so excited to share that we came home with 4 awards, including Best of the Best. As always, we love helping you find the right resort for you, so if you'd like our help booking, you can click the link in our description below. Or if you'd just like to book on your own and you want to let Sandals know that we helped you can find that link in our description as well. You can also follow along with us on Instagram at Honeymoon Always.
Now let's start by talking about this island. St. Vincent is one of the less developed Caribbean islands from a tourism perspective. There are not a lot of big, beautiful resorts in St. Vincent. You're not gonna find a bunch of people on every excursion. You're gonna be able to find quiet beaches, being that it's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The Grenadines are a group of islands. You can go find small beaches where no one is there. It's a very beautiful island and there's not a ton of tourism here.
This resort is about a 40-minute drive from the airport, and the roads are a little windy, but we didn't think it was that bad. However, if you book a Butler Suite, it also comes with a boat transfer that'll take about 15 minutes from the airport.
The resort has a beautiful beach with plenty of chairs and umbrellas, and very clear water that is extremely refreshing on those hot days. Now, they actually brought in this beautiful white sand from elsewhere in the Caribbean, but it used to be a black sand beach, which I imagine they covered up because of the heat. But if you want to check out a black sand beach, the village next to the resort still has it, so you just have to cross a small bridge. Also on the beach are the water sports. They have kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, but they also have motorized sports, which are very rare to be included at any resort, but here they are. So if you want to go tubing, wakeboarding, kneeboarding, they have all of that available to you. On the beach, you're going to find some local dogs. For us, this was an absolute delight, but I know not everyone is a fan of dogs. There really is no reason to be concerned either way because they like to lay around in the shade, but they're very skittish, and even if you want to pet them, only a few are okay with that. Most of them slowly back away if you approach them. So you may see them around the resort, but they're not going to come close to you unless you give them a reason to. Right next to the beach is a quiet pool and several of the restaurants, and these chairs are the most coveted on the property. And while it might be tricky to get a chair here with an umbrella, you can always grab a chair on the beach and pull it fairly close, so that way you can hang out on the beach and then go into the pool whenever you'd like. It's also a great spot because it is near the bar and 3 lunch locations like the pizza place, the salad place, and a sit-down restaurant that serves small bites. There's another quiet pool located near the lobby, and it's actually in the shape of a heart and it has a lot more seating. And then the main pool goes down the middle of the resort and is kind of the main attraction here. You have a swim-up bar, entertainment throughout the day, and the water does tend to get a little warm, making it perfect for a place to swim at night as well. To the side of the main pool is another pool area with lots of chairs, cabanas, and then up against all of the rooms, there are swim-up suites that have a long pool that goes alongside them. This is a perfect place to hang out if you have a swim-up suite, but even if you don't, they have additional chairs there that you can use, or you can just hop in the pool to cool off.
One of our favorite pools is actually located in the spa. Even if you don't have a treatment booked, you can use the sauna, steam room, the cold plunge pool, and the large pool. Dan used the cold plunge pool almost every day. The Red Lane Spa is also where you can book massages, facials, and other beauty and relaxation treatments.
Behind me we have the fitness studio, which not only has brand new fitness equipment, but it also has fitness classes regularly, and they are completing the tennis courts and the pickleball courts nearby, so that should be done pretty soon.
For food at Sandals St Vincent, there are so many options, and it really has been elevated above what you might expect from a Sandals resort or really any all-inclusive. For breakfast, you have a buffet with tons of options and a made-to-order omelet or egg station where you can ask for whatever you'd like. There's also an a la carte restaurant and a coffee shop that has pastries and other treats as well. For lunch, there is the Jerk Shack, which we always love. There's a pizza place with a brick oven, And new to Sandals is a salad spot where you can choose from a menu or customize your own salad. There's also Parasol, which offers a lot of small bites like a tuna dish and fried mahi-mahi. And we love that it allows you to try several different things at once, and it has a beautiful view of the beach. For dinner, the highlight is Bacan. It's a restaurant with all local cuisine, and it's served family style, so you get to try a little bit of everything. We also love that you don't have to think about what you're going to order because it all just comes to you, and it's very engaging with the chef and the staff. There are Caribbean dishes like curry, exotic fruit salad, and the grilled pineapple with mango chutney for dessert was amazing. There's also an Italian restaurant where you can get great pastas. We had a caprese salad, calamari, and our favorite was actually the risotto. Scrimshaw is a seafood-focused restaurant that was great, and Gatsu Gatsu is a sushi restaurant with a bunch of other Asian-inspired dishes as well.
One thing to know about this resort is it's big, so it can be a bit of a distance from one place to another. So they provided these bikes that help you get around. So if you're on the beachfront and you want to go all the way back to the spa or the lobby, then that is available to you and makes getting around a lot easier.
When it comes to picking a room, there are plenty of great options. There are 2 main buildings where the bottom floor has swim-up suites, and the rooms on higher floors include media rooms or even a fitness room in the suite. The rest of the property has villas in different configurations, so you may be in a garden villa like these, or we were in one of 6 beachfront villas, each of which has their own pool. There are also 2-story over-the-water villas. Now, we'll show you the room we stayed in, which is the beachfront 1-bedroom Butler Villa suite with a private pool.
The room actually has a full living room area with a TV and a nice cozy seating area. We've got our closets with plenty of storage, a safe to keep your valuables tucked away, a huge tub that has room for 2, and then a double-headed shower as well. Overall, it's just a really nice room. Obviously, it's brand new and the quality definitely shows. One of the nicest rooms I've stayed at a Sandals. We've got a foosball table, and then of course this amazing view with a small private pool. Well, I hope this video was helpful. It's time for me to hop into the beach because it's hot out here and the beach is beautiful. So if you need any help, check out the description for either a link to the sales or a link to get in touch with one of us, or you can always follow along with us on Instagram at HoneymoonAlways, and subscribe to our channel if you like videos like this.